Hey guys, was just looking out my window and here I saw this group of does and they're treading through this nor'easter snowstorm here, and you see how they are just walking around treading in the snow, and there's quite a few of them here and there's going to be several more coming. So thought someone might enjoy watching them in the storm. There's at least 6 or 7 of them, but yeah, it's fun to watch them jump and play. I don't know why it's fun. So here you're going to see a bunch of them come jumping. Yep. Isn't it so cool? See them in the wild just doing their thing in the middle of a storm, acting like nothing's happening. And their coat is thick right now. So enjoy.